Hey, what's up, fellas? So today I'm going to do a fuel injectors cleaning. So I bought this cleaner on Amazon. They buy them everywhere, eBay, Amazon. They're cheap. There's some of them for like $30. I paid for this one because it came with a whole kit of a bunch of adapters. I paid they're like $50, 40 something. So anyway, you're supposed to put some fuel injector cleaner solution. You put it here, and then you put your compressor here with the psi recommended for your car, which my car is about 40, between 45 to 50. So it's recommended to put 5 pounds below. So I'm going to put like 40, 42, and then you just fill it up, put the air, and then you hook it up. You hook it up through here with an adapter, which right here it comes. It says Toyota. So I got to figure out which one of those is for my car. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it up. So we have a 2006 Toyota Matrix. So we're gonna start. We're gonna remove that. We're gonna remove that cover, screws, the nuts. So we got two. I love these little sockets because they have a magnet on it, so they stay on it, so you don't drop them or anything. So you're just gonna hold them right there on your little magnet holder. Okay, then also we're gonna disconnect the battery. It takes a little bigger socket. So all right, we have a little bigger socket here. So we're just gonna disconnect the negative. All right, so it's been disconnected. Okay, so you're supposed to disconnect the fuel pump relay, but this one I've heard is hidden like way in the glove compartment. So what I did is just I'm gonna disconnect it from over here. It's really easy. All you got to do is remove the bottom of the seat. It just hold it by 14 millimeters. They're already been removed. They're also the cover is being held by 4 10-millimeter screws. So you just put them aside, really easy. And then you're gonna get some pliers or just by hand, and you're gonna remove these. Just have a little knob here, so you're just gonna hold it, you pull it up, and it's been disconnected. That easy. And then your seats, you can hold them by a little bungee. Easy stuff. So it's been disconnected. Okay, so now we're gonna remove the valve cover plastic. So let me put it aside, and then this one doesn't have the little connector for the fuel pressure. So this one we're gonna have to disconnect these right here. It comes with this little cover. We'll remove it, and then we have to remove that with some pliers, and it's gonna in a little rag because it's gonna have a little bit of a pressure, fuel pressure. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I just remove it with some pliers. All I have to do is just press right here, the yellow tab, and pull it up, and it comes off really easy. Okay, so we're gonna connect the cleaner right there. Okay, we have identified the adapter. The adapter, it's the same as that one. So the adapter is gonna go right there, and then we're gonna screw it in the hose right here. So we're gonna put it right there. Okay, and then we're gonna this is the unit. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and then we're gonna empty the bottle. We're gonna put a little funnel. So we're gonna empty all the liquid there. So okay, so all the liquid is there, and it's supposed to be cleaning the entire fuel system: gas tank, intake valves, fuel pump, and in this case not a carburetor, but fuel injectors. So we'll see. I've seen some videos where this product will actually work. So they do clean the fuel injectors. So we're gonna close it really good. Make sure there's no leaks. All right, and then when you buy one of these items, I think they're all the same. Just make sure you close it, because this one was open. So close it so when you empty it, it doesn't leak. So anyway, okay, so we're gonna continue. It's already hooked up. I found the coupling. So you do have to change the nipple for your compressor, because it doesn't. And don't trust this meter, this pressure gauge. So this is what I did. I set my compressor at 40 something, and look at this, it's about right. So what I did is I'm just holding the airway, the exit of the air, so you can measure your own. This is a tire pressure, a regular tire pressure gauge. So it's about right, so you don't mess up your thing. You don't mess up your car with putting too much pressure, because this one is not reading properly. It was reading like ground right there. So anyway, okay, so we're ready to go. See, this gauge is not properly. It's like 30 something, but I confirmed with my compressor and that gauge that it's around 40 something. So anyway, we're gonna start the car. This is the moment of truth. It's not leaking. We have to plug back the battery before we continue to turn it on. Okay, it started. So all we have to do now is we have to wait until it runs out of the fuel. Okay, so it's running on that cleaner now. It's confirmed that there's no pump pressure. So it's confirmed there's no leaks. Well, maybe there's a little bit, but it's very minor. So it's running. So we're just gonna wait until it finishes, and then we'll be done. And supposedly it's gonna clean everything: fuel injectors, fuel lines, tank. All right. So I'm gonna make another video where we're gonna clean the catalyst. We're gonna put some clean after these, because it's supposedly gonna get the catalyst a little bit dirty, because all of it is cleaning and it's going toward the catalyst. So after this step, we should clean the catalyst converter. Alrighty, hope you liked the video. Thumbs up, subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a lot of mechanical work, DIY. I'm not a professional, but medium advanced. All right, fellas, bye.